Sam?
I'm trying to put it back on so you can video.
Nah, you can take it off now, mate. I'm not editing any of this.
You'll have to start it again.
Sam's having you off here.
Why, you're live?
We're live, yeah, go on.
Stream.
Whip that off. You're not getting out now. There you go. The big strip down's begun. Yep. Lots of crud. Lower it down a bit, let's get a better grip on it. Right, hammer. Sam.
I think it's probably going to end up being a lift, you know what I mean, rather than... I think because we've never stripped one before, we're in like, sort of, you know, safe mode, aren't we?
Right, I'm going to set you back over here now. Pressing the lever, I'm not doing this stuff.
Just sort of have a little scratch out.
Right.
I don't know the weather, it just goes like that.
The guy. Dragging all that base up here, dragging that base up here. So, aren't these normally though like one way, one the other, so it kind of seals it?
Well, yeah.
You know, like in a piston, I was always shown to put one, like you know, like
yeah, that's so you don't end up with
what
oil
it's-
flying
yeah.
or losing compression. So,
that's the hammer. Sam's rigged up this tackle here.
in theory, if you're trying to pressurise this, and them two are both together, I should think. I mean, I haven't worked with
Just
John,
offset
I
again.
would think if you just do them like that.
He sent us the manual, like so.
I would think if you offset them, but you just you know the country of origin and all that, you don't tend to bother about
No.
details like is it going to seal?
Well, it's like the M8s I was saying before. The M8s are all like 12 and 11 heads, and it's like, what is going on?
You find often as well. You find with like this stuff, it's like rather than putting metric bolts in everything, you use a lot of material.
Yeah.
Like when you buy like Chinese furniture and stuff, it's all like UNC, and you're like, what is this from like 40?
Yeah, we had about a batch of 1 million of them, so we'll just use these.
I think there's more than 2 rings on that, so to be fair, they might all be that. We might have jumped to conclusion.
Do I need to work that lever again, you reckon?
I think it'll be alright.
Hey!
Yeah, so there's 3 rings on it, so really.
Yeah, it's facing the wrong way to be fair. Well, I mean the right way, but yeah.
Oh no, there isn't, no, it's just a groove.
Oh, right.
It's just like an oil groove. So yeah, probably.
Right, so as the hammer's travelling up and down, it's probably picking up that oil and speeding in there, isn't it? Yeah. It's just like a journal kind of thing, like a, yeah.
Well, I would just have a word with John and just see if I think you should gaff them properly like that.
Yeah. I mean, that's how I was always shown, but how heavy does it feel, Sam?
Not very heavy, I don't think.
You can do it some point, moving that one as well. There's the hammer. One hammer. Teacup for reference.
That's like
That's cool, isn't it?
Just a machine finish.
Yeah, compared to this one, that one looks a bit more rougher.
Doesn't it?
You can see the machining of it. A little bit pitted as well, to be fair, Sam, from here. Tiniest bit, so you look like there. Ever so slightly.
Yeah, like...
Only minimal, like, you know. So that's cool, yeah. That's not... I wouldn't have said that was 40 kilos though, would you? Or would you?
No, it's like probably 25, 30 kilos.
Sure enough, there's the hammer. It's 40 kilos. Or 41, I think it's meant to be. See it very well. Yes. A grease nipple in it.
Yeah. Right.
Sam on the old ratchet.
The amount of water I've been taking on, it's like every bloody 10-15 minutes, you know, you go for a piss. And then it's like, as soon as you've done that, the next thing in your brain is like, right, I better have some water.
For those of you that don't know, Sam's in a tug of war team. You're doing what, the nationals like the weekend, are you?
Yeah, national championships this weekend.
So yeah, you just thought you'd have a bit of a...
Support Bosley Tug of War Club and no one else.
Yeah. Relaxing evening of stripping out the Powerhammer. So there we go. That's the rod. It's absolutely insane, isn't it? This is just like...
Pull it over to you and I'll just lower it down.
Yeah, go on. Sam, who's rid of that? There we go. So here we have the rod. Has that got a score in it there, Sam? Near your hand? Oh no, there's a groove.
Oil journal, isn't it?
It's an oil journal there.
So that's the gudgeon pin there, but it's obviously got a circlip in there as normal.
There's no need to take any of this apart though, is there?
Well, I'd be tempted just to have a look at the little end and just see what's like. Is that got a bush in, or does it need something? Is it getting any lubrication? I would assume that's like an angled hole, so I would assume it just scrapes some oil in and just feeds a little bit of oil onto the little end.
Sam's the technical guy. If you couldn't work that out already.
It's not very technical, is it?
I don't know.
But I don't know whether
Just hit things with a hammer.
Whether that's just centre punched or something around there, or there's no circlip in it. So, do you know what I mean? There's a groove there, but there's no clip in, whereas it should
Looks
be.
like it's a bit marred up as well, doesn't it?
It does. It looks like they've
bashed it with a fucking
they've had to make it go, haven't they? But normally you'd expect to see a circlip in.
With all the holes here.
Just
feed for oil or something, or
I don't know.
bit
Let's
weird,
think about.
Air.
The deal is, it's got to be.
So it's forced air one.
I wonder if it's air intake. It's either an intake or an exhaust, isn't it? It's got to be.